What's up guys, here's a closer look at this GoPro. Here is the battery, where you put the SD card, where you charge it right here. This closes super nice and secure, so it's nice to take in the water. Right here is the record button. Right here is how you're gonna power it on. And change mode, so if you're in photo mode, change the video mode, change the playback mode, and you can watch the photos and videos that you took in the water on the screen, as well as right here if you're filming, you could see what you're filming, selfie mode, which is super nice. Absolutely love that feature. Love the size of this camera, super awesome, very high quality, which is super nice. Absolutely love taking photos and videos in the water, surfing, swimming, just hanging with friends. Super awesome, amazing camera.